Let's be real for a second. Making money on YouTube sounds like a dream, right? We've all seen the headlines. How I made $10,000 in 1 month on YouTube. How I quit my job thanks to YouTube. And let's be honest, you're probably thinking, okay, but how the heck do I do that? Here's the harsh truth. Yes, it's possible to make money on YouTube, but most people never do. Not because they're not good enough or don't have great ideas. No, it's because they either give up way too soon or they get distracted by the wrong things. And I get it. I'm in the same boat. I'm not monetized yet myself. I'm still chasing those 1,000 subscribers and those 4,000 watch hours. But here's the kicker. I'm still making money on my channel right now through affiliate marketing and print on demand. I'm earning even without being monetized yet. So what's the secret? Today, I'm going to break it all down. Why most YouTubers fail, how you could actually make money even before reaching monetization, and how to set yourself up for long-term success, starting right now. Okay, so let's start with a reality check. Most people think YouTube money equals AdSense. You know, that magical moment when you hit that 1,000 subscribers and that 4,000 watch hours, or 10 million shorts views in 90 days. And boom, YouTube starts paying you. Yeah, except it's not that simple. AdSense is not where most of YouTubers make the bulk of their money. In fact, if you only rely on ad revenue, you're probably not making much at all, especially as a small creator. So how do people actually make money? Let's break it down. YouTube ad revenue, or Google AdSense, is the first income stream people think about. And for that, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in a span of 365 days, or 10 million shorts views in 90 days to qualify. But here's the catch. Your earnings depend on your niche. A finance channel might make $20 per 1,000 views. A gaming channel, more like $2 to $5 per 1,000 views. That means if you get 100,000 views a month, you might make $100 to $500, which is not exactly life-changing. So what's the takeaway here? Ads are nice, but they shouldn't be your only focus. Now, this one is the easiest way to start making money, even before you're monetized. Affiliate marketing is simple. You recommend a product, someone buys it through your link, and you earn commission. But which affiliate programs should you try? Well, tech YouTubers can link their gear from Amazon, whereas fitness creators can promote supplements, workout programs, and apps. And YouTubeGrowth channels, you can recommend tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ. And here's the best part. It doesn't matter if you have 100 subscribers or 100,000 subscribers. Affiliate marketing works at any level. And here's an example for you. Let's say I recommend a YouTube tool like vidIQ, which, by the way, is an absolute game changer for growing your channel. It helps with keyword research, video optimization, and understanding what's actually working. If someone signs up through my link in the description, I'll earn a commission. And if multiple people do that every month, that's a solid income stream. If you're serious about growing on YouTube, definitely check out vidIQ. It helped me, and it can help you too. Click on the link in the description to try it out. And this is exactly what I do to supplement my income while I'm growing my channel. So even if you're not monetized yet, you can start making money today with affiliate marketing. A lot of people think you need millions of subscribers to get sponsored. Not true. Brands care more about engagement than size. If your audience trusts you, then even with 500 to 1,000 subscribers, some brands may be willing to pay you for a sponsored video. For example, a small tech channel with 5,000 subscribers might get $500 for a single sponsorship. And if you do multiple deals per month, that adds up. So the takeaway here is build a strong niche and engaged audience, and brands will come. Now, this is where the serious money is made. And no, you don't need a huge business to start making money. Even small creators can jump right in. You could sell an ebook or a guide like Beginner's Guide to YouTube Growth, or maybe an online course teaching something like how to edit like a pro. And if you love designing, print-on-demand merch like t-shirts, mugs, and hoodies could be a great option too. There are so many ways to start. If you're a creator looking for an extra income stream, print-on-demand is one of the easiest ways to start. So what's the takeaway here? If you want to make serious money, start thinking beyond YouTube ads. Here's where most new creators go wrong. They expect fast money. YouTube takes time. They only focus on views and subscribers. The real money comes from monetization strategy. They don't post consistently. Growth is exponential. Your 50th video will be better than your first video. They quit way too early. If you give up after 10 videos, you never gave yourself a chance. If you stick with it and diversify your income streams, YouTube can become an actual business. How long does it actually take to start making money? At 0 to 3 months is your learning phase. You could gain 0 to 100 subscribers, but probably not make an income yet. At 3 to 6 months, you could gain 100 to 500 subscribers and possibly make your first affiliate sale. And at 6 to 12 months, you could gain around 500 to 1,000 subscribers and brand deals may become possible. At 1 year and beyond, you could become monetized. Yay! Let's celebrate! You could earn multiple income streams and your income may become more consistent. Most people quit because they don't give it enough time. YouTube isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, consistency, and strategy. But if you're in it for the long game and you start implementing affiliate marketing, print-on-demand, and sponsorships early, you could start making money before you're monetized. So don't wait. Start now. Keep learning, keep creating. Your breakthrough is coming. Comment below, what's your biggest challenge with making money on YouTube? And if this video helped or inspired you to keep going, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.